Tom, what are you doing?
I am playing a game.
Anna, what are you doing?
I am doing my homework.
Tom, where is your homework?
It is on the floor.
Tom, who is studying?
Anna is studying.
Tom, you should study hard.
Okay, Mom, I will study.
Tom, what are you doing now?
I am doing my homework.
Great! Say it again.
I am doing my homework.
Excellent! Practice English every day. Tom, how is your desk?
It is very messy.
Tom, where is the pencil?
It is on the floor.
Tom, where are the books?
They are on the shelf.
Tom, where is the pencil?
It is in the pencil holder.
Tom, how is your desk now?
It is clean and tidy.
Excellent! Keep your desk clean every day. Practice English every day. Tom, where is your notebook?
It is on the desk.
Tom, where is your pencil case?
It is on the desk.
Tom, what are you doing?
I am packing my school bag.
Tom, where is your ruler?
It is in my school bag.
Tom, how is your school bag now?
It is ready.
Great! Say it again.
It is ready.
Excellent! Pack your school bag every day.